I was looking for something to make one morning, so I was checking out my trash wood pile, and I noticed this old 4x4. Now this 4x4 has probably been outside for about 4 to 5 years. Because of this, I used a wire brush to clean it up before I started working with it. And as you can see here, age and the elements have given this 4x4 a lot of character. I wanted to make some coasters out of this 4x4, so I put a stop block on my miter saw so that I could get consistent thin slices out of it. I wanted the grain to be continuous when the coasters were stacked, so I kept the slices in order. Each piece then got sanded down on the disc sander. Once the pieces were sanded smooth, I hit them with a torch to bring out the color. All the coasters were then finished off with some high gloss polyacrylic spray. I needed something to stack my coasters on, so I planed down an old fence picket and cut some squares out of it that were slightly larger than the coasters. I then cut up some dowel rods, and then I used the disc sander to round off one end. I wanted the coasters to be stacked at an angle, so I marked where the coaster would sit and then marked where the dowel rods would need to be. Everything was then glued together. After that, I cleaned it up best I could with a wet towel, and then I let it set to dry overnight. I hit the coaster stands with a torch to make it look similar to the coasters, and then I finished it with more spray-on polyacrylic. And here they are all finished up. I really like the way they turned out. I like how the torch brings out the wood grain in the coasters. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.